Engineering channel. In today we are going to discuss the second chapter in power system transients, the lightning transients. As you know, in the previous lecture I taught you what is a transients, what are the causes of transients. There are two causes of transients. One is the internal causes and one more is called an external causes. The external causes mainly occurs due to the lightning. So in today we are going to teach you how the lightning phenomenon takes place in the power system. So we know the clouds is responsible for lightning. If you want to know what is lightning, you should know how this cloud is formed. So I am going to teach you in this lecture how a cloud is formed. As we all know, you consider this is an earth surface. The earth surface consists of, as you know, it is surrounded by air as a medium. So air will be keeping flowing in the surface of your earth. During your hot season or during your normal condition, the earth surface is get warmer, so the air is getting heated. The warmer air tends to move upwards. When it reaches a certain position where your air is getting cooled because of the cold temperature available at a certain height, they try to sediment in down. This forms a cloud because the air consists of an ion. As you know, what is an ion? An ion is nothing but is similar to an atom, but an atom is electrically neutral, but ions will not be electrically neutral. The reason is it will not have an equal number of proton and electron. So this consists of both positive ions as well as negative ions attached to a dust particles. So this warmer air tends to move to a certain height, it get cold, and the sediment, once it is get cold, all the water molecules or water particles tend to settle down. The bigger size of the cloud is more amount of air is moving upward. Thus the cloud is formed. Once the cloud is formed, the cloud inside consists of an air. Okay, the cloud inside consists of an air. When the certain height, this is the top layer of your cloud, when more number of water particles getting cooled, they will become, when it reaches below the freezing point, the ice crystals are formed on the top layer of the cloud. The ice crystals are formed on the top layer of the, once it reaches the top layer of your cloud reaches below the freezing point, consider minus 40 degree. I am taking a consider minus 40 degree. Once the air reaches, that is the top layer of the cloud reaches the below the freezing point of minus 40 degree, they get this water molecules present in the air get more cooled and ice crystals are formed on the top layer of cloud. These ice crystals tends to move in a random motion. That is, these ice crystals will move in a way such that an electrostatic charge is created. We can explain in another way. Once the air interacts with your cloud, an electrostatic charge is created inside the cloud. Or in another manner we can say these ice crystals tends to move with each other because of the movement, and an electric charge is created. Now, once the electric charge is created, we can say the accumulation. I am considering this again, I am drawing this diagram for your understanding. You can say the positive charges will be accumulated on the top layer, whereas the negative charges will be accumulated on the bottom layer. Now consider this is the positive layer accumulated on the, how this charge gets separated means, because the air is going to, the air they will call it as a technical term as an air current. Because of this air current, these two charges are separated. Now you can see the bottom layer of your cloud has more negative charge, whereas the top layer of your cloud has positive charge. Now I will show you how this lightning phenomenon takes place. Now you consider, once there is a normal, what is a lightning? It is a discharge of the voltage. That is, these electrical charges should follow a path in order to discharge to a ground. This will not happen because here the air is acting as a medium. Once the air is acting as a medium, it is a poor conductor. It will not allow the charge to get discharged in the earth surface. So once this air dielectric strength, the dielectric value, the value of the air gets break down, this electrical discharge from the clouds to the ground takes place. For example, I am considering 10 kilovolt per centimeter. I am considering 10 kilovolt per centimeter. This initial discharge takes place in the cloud in such a way this air is getting ionized they form the path, they flows through the ground. Now you see, you consider this as a capacitor, because how it is a capacitor, this is a negative charge and this is a dielectric, automatically you will be having this positive in the ground surface. Thus the electrical lightning phenomenon takes place. Hope you will enjoy this section very well. If you have any doubts or you need any further clarification, you can comment me on my comment box, like my channel, share my channel and subscribe my channel. To get the notification of my videos, press the bell icon. Thank you so much.